years ago, the Somali Democratic Republic appeared to be an African success story, building on a colonial legacy, natural resources, and a happy, hard-working population. A beautiful country, it potentially had everything. It was indeed a power. Then it all went wrong.
Who's criminal or have killed people could tell you, but not me.
All the international air workers come to count us and visit us like tourists.
Armed guards are also based on top of the trucks. The big problem is the looters are not the forces of either side.
This tragic story concerns three men. Former President Siad Barre nearly brought peace and prosperity to Somalia. But through bad mistakes, conflicting ideologies, and the importing of vast amounts of military hardware, his legacy is devastation. This is Ali Mahdi, in charge only of the north of the divided capital, Mogadishu, with his faction, the Manifesto Group. He is not recognized outside this area, having been appointed interim president by a supposedly unconstitutional coalition in Djibouti during a power vacuum in the civil war. Strangely, his Manifesto Group proclaims to be part of the United Somali Congress, the leader of which he's primarily in bloody contention with. General Mohammed Farah Aidid. He controls the southern part of the city, Mogadishu. Funded by the then ruler of neighbouring Ethiopia, he couldn't completely overthrow President Siad Barre, Ali Mahdi, or the northern clans, so destroyed as much infrastructure as possible out of spite. For a long period, he held relief agencies and the United Nations in thrall. These three hostile men have caused Somalia's descent into anarchy, devastation and starvation. But why did it happen? To understand that, Somalia's past must be looked at for the clues that mirror its present. Although used to clan rivalry, border disputes, drought and occasional famine, by the mid-1970s the Somali Democratic Republic seemed close to conquering them all. Under its authoritarian president, Siad Barre, the country appeared to have wealth, progressive infrastructure, adequate food, and a high standard of education and medication. Strategically situated on the Horn of Africa, it was being wooed by the Soviet Union,